Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to be able to do mystery bags, the first time ever Huda Beauty mystery bags. And I got the small and the large to show you guys. Do you want to know what is inside my bags? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Huda Beauty just came out for the very first time their own mystery bags. One is size large, one is size small. The small one was $49 and it has a value of $122. The larger one is $89 and it has a value of $206. Thank you so much, Tracy, for letting me know that these were even a thing because I didn't even know it. So thankfully she got a hold of me and said, hey, Huda Beauty has mystery bags. I'm like, what? Wait, what? I got both. Then when I was done, my PayPal invoice gave me actually an itemized list of what's in them. So I already came prepared with ones that I know I already have. So I'll show you mine versus the one that are inside. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not sure which one this is. This one kind of feels lighter. So maybe this is the small one. So both of them have this bag right here and it says Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Right there. And that's what it looks like. And then this just came in a box and I pulled them both out, but I haven't gone inside the bags yet. Oh, so everything is down inside of this like bag that says Huda Beauty as well. So this one, yes, I believe this one's the small one. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got in here. Again, this was $49 with a value of $122. That's really cute packaging. It's literally an insulated bag. And they're shaped like hearts. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but they're shaped like hearts. You're not going to be able to see that, I don't think. But these little bubble pops, they're literally shaped in a heart. That is super cute. I've never seen anything like that. I'm so excited about bubble wrap. Okay, so the first thing right on top is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. And this one I have. So this I'm going to just keep off to the side. This one is mine. And I haven't even actually used any of mine because I was debating what to do if I do a video of each one or if I do one video with different looks of each one. I don't know, maybe you guys can let me know so I know what to do, but I do have a lot of these. So this is the amethyst one. It is very pretty. Pinks, mauves, purples, burgundies, plums. Very pretty, very, very pretty. But again, I haven't used it yet because I wanted to do like a first impressions with you guys. So let me know what you want. If you want them all like in one video, let me know. So then now we have, and I've always wanted to try their lip products like this. And this is a Huda Beauty Demi Matte. This one's in the color Day Slayer. This kind of looks a little light. I'm gonna kind of just show you everything that's in here. This one's a lighter color, so I'm not gonna open this one just yet. So then we have this one right here. This one is super pretty. This one's in Provocateur, I think it says. Let's see what this looks like. And I like the packaging with that ombre effect. Very pretty. So let's see. Ooh, that is a nice like purple color, you guys. Super pretty. It doesn't smell like anything. So here's that. And then the last item in here is a summer highlighting palette. Ooh, I do have one highlighting palette, but it's not this one. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Okay, and it does have this little insert. And then there is the colors. Yeah, I can see how it's called summer with the purple and the pink. Let me just go ahead and put my, ooh, that one's creamy. This one's creamy, like wet, and this one's powdery. Let me just do them all. So there's all 4 colors right there. So that is everything that came in the small one. Again, we have 2 lip products, but this one I'm not gonna open just yet. We have the one palette and then the highlighter palette. I think that is definitely worth the $49 because I know these guys here are in the $20 range by itself and then everything else. So I'm actually really pleased with that. Even though I have the one, it's okay. So now let's go ahead and get into the big guy, same bag, and it's inside one of these as well. I love these. So let me pull all of this stuff out. Okay. So this one came with a little sample. It says gentle, simple, effective, yo glow, wishful. So we have a little sample right here. What is this? It's a yo glow enzyme scrub. So we can try that. That's awesome. And then the two palettes in here are these guys right here. So there's the Emerald, Obsession, and the Ruby, which I have those. So let me show you mine, even though one of mine is well, they're all brand new, but I'll open up mine. So this is the Ruby, which is mainly like reds and burgundies. Super pretty. And then this is the Emerald, which of course is going to be greens. And this is a beautiful palette. This one I really cannot wait to use. But again, I haven't used any of them yet because I haven't figured out what to do. So there's that. So those are the two palettes. These are both still in the sealed packaging. And then now we have is a Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So this is like a primer. That's cool. I've never tried anything like this from Huda. Yes, look at that. There's the packaging. So I'm super excited to try this. And ooh, look at that. Ooh, a little bubble. And it's making some noises, excuse you. And it's just like a whitish, creamy, milky color. It kind of smells clean, like a clean scent. That smells nice. So we have that, which I'm really excited to try that. Now we have two different lip products. This one's in Sharika and Poinsettia. Very pretty. So let me see here. These are darker colors, so I'm gonna try these. So here's the packaging again. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. It's this one right there. And then this one is like a hot pink, like a magenta color. Yes, it is. And that's right there. So those are those three, but these two came in the large set. So there's one other item that came in the large, which is this right here. And I'm super excited about this because I only have one full size palette, which is the new Nudes palette, which I did a look for you guys. This is the Rose Gold palette remastered. And I'm super, super excited to get this. Let's get this open and see what it looks like in person. Because I've only seen it online and I've so wanted it, but this is like I think this is like $65 on its own. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at the packaging. Huda Beauty has the most gorgeous packaging. They put a lot of time into it. So then here's a little sleeve that goes on top. There is a large mirror. And then, ooh, these are so pretty. There are the colors. All the top ones, they're like indented already. You can see it. But that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this because the new Nudes, I really love the formula. That's why I've been so like dying to try these. And now I have this one too. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So this one again, it was $89. You got the large size palette. You have two of the lip products right here, which those are really pretty colors. You have like a base, like a primer, and two of the eyeshadow palettes, the smaller, the Obsessions. So let me know, did you guys know about this? Did you purchase one? Did you get the same items? If you did get it, comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. On my packing slip, you guys, I didn't notice until right now, it has all the pricing. So if you want to know what all of the pricing would be if you were to purchase them individually, the bags are $10.10 each. The mini palettes right here, these are $27 each. The Rose Gold palette is $65. The lip products are all $20 each. And the primer, the mattifying primer is $32. And then the summer highlighting palette, This one right here, this is $45. So what I'm going to do right now is, you guys, these three here, I already have. I don't need these. I mainly bought this to show you guys and to grow my Huda Beauty collection. I didn't know 3 palettes I was already going to have, but it's okay because now one of you guys is going to win these and this with one of the bags. So one bag, this lip product that I did not open, and these 3 palettes that I did not open. So if you want to, if you're still with me and you would like to win these products right here of Huda Beauty, then this is all you need to do. Number 1 is subscribe to my channel. That's why I do my giveaways, to show my appreciation back to those who are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. I want to give back to show my appreciation, to say thank you. So be subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave one comment down below. In that comment, I want you to say, since this lipstick color is Day Slayer, then in the comment, say something about you being a Day Slayer. Use Day Slayer in your sentence somehow in your comment below. Only one comment with the word Day Slayer in there entering. You can leave me as many comments as you want, but only one entering in to make it fair for everybody who is here entering. Have a United States address for me to ship them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm mailing them to United States address, and be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian enter in for you, somebody over the age of 18, so I can communicate with an adult. That's it. Like, subscribe, leave one comment putting Day Slayer creatively in that sentence, and be over the age of 18 and have a United States address. I will let this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker to cipher through all the comments with the word Day Slayer in it. And then as long as you are subscribed to me and you follow the rules, I will then comment back to you saying you have 48 hours to comment back to me to claim the prize. If you do not respond back within the 48 hours, rules are rules, I must choose a new winner, and the new winner will now have 48 hours, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box, which will have all of the official rules, the official end date, if you have any question of if this did end, the official end date will be down there saying if it's still open or if it's closed, and then congratulations to so-and-so. Then I will put has 48 hours to confirm. If they have confirmed, it'll say a big confirmed. So then you know if it's still up in the air and who's going to win. But I do giveaways on my channel quite a lot because I do like showing my appreciation to you guys. So hang tight. If you don't win this one, there's always going to be more. And that is everything, you guys. So again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of these two? I'm super excited that Tracy told me about these so I can grab them both. I'm super excited to get it passed down to one of you guys and share some Huda Beauty products with one of you guys as well, which is amazing. So I think this is a win-win. I got some amazing products. One of you guys is gonna get some amazing products too. So I am loving this. So that is everything I have for you guys. Again, let me know down below. And if you're interested, then follow the rules and this set could be yours in 2 weeks. We'll find out. So thank you guys so much. Now I'm gonna go back into the backyard. We are digging holes and planting trees. So, you know, it's a hot day today. So I'm gonna get back to my yard work now that it's half the day's been gone by, but you know. So until next time, you keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.